Today I will be talking about one of the proofs of the Pythagorean theorem. To start off, let us define the word Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is a kind of formula in geometry that only works if it's a right triangle. The Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. Here are four identical triangles. This will help us to understand why c squared equals a squared plus b squared. This is how you form it. In here we can see that it forms a quadrilateral. And that we see that here we see that there are four triangles and that there's one square. In order to get the sides of the square, we can see that this is b and this is a. That means that this is a minus b. This is why a minus b squared, because that's how you solve the area of a square. Well, the formula of the triangle is 1/2 j times height. This means that it's 1/2 times a times b. There are four triangles, that is why it's times 4. That's why it's 2ab. In order to get the full area of the full quadrilateral, you add a minus b squared 2 plus 2ab. It's going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared plus 2ab. To resolve to, we cancel this out. A squared plus b squared equals c squared again. In order to make it more simple and easier to understand, we will try to reform it. This is how you reform it. Why do we need to reform it? So that it will be easier to compute it. As the square of the smaller side is a and the square of the bigger side is b, therefore it will become a squared plus b squared, the whole area.
Okay, so this is a sample problem. John bikes 30 km north going to the church, while James bikes 40 km east going to the mall. So what is the displacement between the church and the mall? First of all, displacement is like the same thing as distance. So if he goes north 30 and he goes east 40, that's the displacement. Alright, since John traveled 30 km using a bike, and James traveled 40 km using a bike, we start with drawing a map. We have 30 km north. That's how long John traveled. And James traveled 40 km east. This line over here, that total distance is the displacement. To get the displacement, our formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a equals the total distance traveled by John, which is 30. B equals the total distance traveled by James, which is 40. So we just substitute. That's 30 squared plus 40 squared equals c squared. 30 squared is 30 times 30, which is 900. And 40 squared is 40 times 40, which is 1,600. Equals c squared. Add this up and get 2,500 equals c squared. And to get c, you just have to square root both sides. That's 50 equals c. So the displacement, which is c, is 50 km. This line over here is 50 km. Alright, since John traveled 30 km using a bike, and James traveled 40 km using a bike, start with drawing a map. Yeah. 30 km north. That's how long John traveled. And James traveled 40 km east. This line over here, that total distance is the displacement. To get the displacement, our formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a equals the total distance traveled by John, which is 30. B equals the total distance traveled by James, which is 40. So we just substitute. That's 30 squared plus 40 squared equals c squared. 30 squared is 30 times 30, which is 900. And 40 squared is 40 times 40, which is 1,600. Equals c squared. Add this up and get 2,500 equals c squared. And to get c, you just have to square root both sides. That's 50 equals c. So the displacement, which is c, is 50 in the end. This line over here is